How to delete all game data on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete all game data on Android. For this, you want to launch open settings on your Android device. Now, you want to scroll down and tap on apps. Once you land on apps, you simply want to scroll down and find the game that you want to delete the data of. Once you have found the game, simply tap on that. Now you want to tap on the storage option. Here, tap on clear cache. Once you have cleared the cache, you want to go ahead and tap on clear data option. Now tap on the delete option. Once you do that, all the game's data will be successfully deleted. All you want to do now is go ahead and open that game again. Once you open the game, you will find that all the data has been successfully deleted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.